Hello everyone, I am Mayank Singh from Team Garun. With me, my teammates Mayank Kotwaliwale and Abhishek Paul will be explaining the software simulation and hardware implementation of NT-C19 Smart Band. In this entire presentation, we will cover the major points that will be Node MCU programming part, Firebase console window, in which will be controlling the database management, ThinkSpeak IoT analytics platform, and user interface application of NT-C19 band. Now, on moving forward, Mayank Kotwali will be explaining the Node MCU programming and Firebase console window.
So this is our code for Node MCU. Actually, we have included few libraries like ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h and Firebase Arduino.h and DHT.h. These libraries are useful for this code. And for the Firebase platform, we have the Firebase host, which I got from that Firebase console, and Firebase authentication ID is also there for me, which I have copy paste in this code. And for my Wi-Fi, I have got the SS Wi-Fi my SSID and password here. You can change it for any other network. So let's begin and compile this code. It takes a little time for compilation. So as you can see here, the done compiling prompt has occurred, and now we will upload this code to our Node MCU board. While uploading, it compiles again the code and then uploads to the Node MCU hardware board. Yes, now you can see that the code has uploaded on the Node MC board. Now we can move to our serial monitor for the readings. So it has got connected to my Wi-Fi and it gives me that my IP address, and the temperature readings are shown in the serial monitor. So I can vary it and show you the readings. So we can see that the temperature readings are changing, and now I can also change the readings of another sensor. So you are seeing that now heartbeat has come, and I can also change the heartbeat reading sensors. This is a prototype, so we have used LDR and rheostat for demonstrating it. So you can see that so this is our serial monitor, and you can see that the temperature values are changing when I change the rheostat value. And now I will be showing the another reading for my another sensor, that is LDR. We have used it because we do not have anything else for giving the analog data. So you can see that now heartbeat value is coming, and now I will be changing that heartbeat value. So heartbeat value is also changing, 58, 82, and further for 152. Okay, so this now I'll be demonstrating on my Firebase platform. So So this is our Firebase platform. And now you can see that the values are here changing for heartbeat. So new values are coming, and then for temperature also. So new values are coming for temperature also, so that our data is uploading onto internet and we can obtain the data from our Firebase platform. Now my teammate Mayank Singh will be explaining about the ThinkSpeak platform.
Thank you, Mank. Now I will be explaining the whole part that we have covered in the Firebase console window, and with where we have all the analyzed the database, all the data in the database. So here I will be explaining all the ThinkSpeak platform. Now here the all the data that are collected from the Node MCU is now can be visualized with the you can see that various widgets and also the graphical representation. It is a data visualization in which all the huge data is collected and it can be plotted in the form of bar graph, histogram, pie chart, and all the other line graphs, so that it is easy to analyze the data. Here the temperature, you can see that after pointing the arrow, it shows that the temperature is 644.48 in other scale. Maybe it is in the it is the other scale, not in degree centigrade. And it is also showing the day, time, and also if we have used the since we have not used the GPS location sensor, if we have used that, then we can also get the exact location where the temperature has been extracted. Now here in the other part, you can see the digital monitor of the heartbeat, which is showing and updated it 2 minutes ago. Temperature in degree centigrade. It can also send the channel location where the data is uploaded from which location of part of the India. Now, if we have, it also gives the to share the videos and all other platforms in which we have uploaded the videos of the model and other parts. Now, a comparison of the temperature data is also being done, which is that in 3 days or 4 days, if we have to analyze the data and how much we have deviated or how much there is a rate of the decrement of temperature of cases, it can be analyzed with this platform. So ThinkSpeak is giving us the platform so to analyze how many data to compile huge data into small uh, platform and in small form, and also we can export the data in the form of other Excel sheets and other forms of the documents. Now the user interface application of anti-C19 band will be explained by my teammate Abhishek Paul. So he will be continuing with that part. Abhishek.
So you might have seen the ThinkSpeak interface. Now the user, as he is wearing the band, he needs to see some values of the band in his phone or any website kind of thing. So we have designed it a prototype app in which he can see the values which is being displayed by the band. So let me share the screen to show you the app. Yes. Now you can see the app. In this right now it is giving a 204.6 value. This is the value which is being set by the user, and this value will be sent to the ThinkSpeak by the mode of internet. So let me change the value and show you how this works. So I have given the value of 388, sorry. So please, Mayank sir, please share this screen of ThinkSpeak. So you can see in that the value 388, or rounding off the value 389 is being displayed. Yes, you can see that as I have set the value 388.73, it has been rounded off and shown in the display of ThinkSpeak 389. So this is how the user can get the values of his health and can be monitored with the help of the ThinkSpeak. So uh, in this way, he can get what the database he wants. In this way, we can also send the notification and alarms which can be regulated in the band, as I have given the intensity. So this app, which is will be working on the back end, will be governed by our teammates. by the which if the something rate of the temperature is high or the heartbeat pulse gets high, so we can change the value from this thing speak and the band will vibrate there. So this is how this app works. So
Now,
please
one
thanks
thing I would also like to add that the entire things are been governed with the from our side is from the remote locations, that we all teammates are from the other location and whole data is can be accessed from any location of the part of India. Since I have been in MP schedule and my teammates are in Bhopal where the data is been uploaded to the this server, and also one of my teammates is in UP, so he has also accessed. So in this way, we can also show that this location is this application. This is the application of our band, which is the real-time monitoring and public surveillance. So in this way, we can access the huge amount of data by not coming in direct contact with the COVID-19 patients. So this was the entire part which we have told in our idea and included in our idea also, that we have to take uh, the social distancing part as a major point, and we have done that.
Here is the real-time monitoring of the data on the Firebase console window, in which the data is being uploaded on the server and can be accessed from any part of the India.